Hey, it's Brock Patterson here, Reddick Brown Ford. We're on location at the Elkhart, Indiana plant from Fox Factory where they're building the 2024 Shelby F-150 and F-150 Super Snake trucks. Right behind me, I'm going to showcase the colors that we've got. This is star white, beautiful white metallic, black stripes. You can tell Ford has got this new front end design here with your headlight housing, new grille, Shelby emblem, and your Shelby lettering on the front. Star white, black stripes. And the classic, tried and true, this is Oxford white with blue stripes, that traditional clean Shelby look. Here, fan favorite, one of our highest requested colors. This is Agate Black with our gray stripe look here, our most demanded color product. And this is Avalanche with our black stripe contrasted on it. To me, just at first glance, this is the hottest color that I've seen on this new core build. Carbonized gray with black stripes. This is a menacing look. In 2021, on the new redesign on the F-150 and Shelby F-150, carbonized gray became one of the top selected colors. And we've also got Antimatter Blue. This is our dark, deep navy, black stripes. It's a beautiful color. It looks black in some lighting. You get this around the sunlight. It's a dynamic color. And this is the beautiful, clean, classic, iconic silver with black stripes. And one of our most requested colors too on the lifted and lowered version Shelby trucks, rapid red, a beautiful maroon, black stripes. All right, so you get to take your pick. Which one would you select? Star white with black stripes or Oxford white with blue stripes? You decide. You want to catch him going?